Okay everyone, in this video I'll explain to you a step-by-step guide on how you can delete or add to your primary email on Facebook. I mean, you can delete the primary email that if it's connected to your Facebook. It's not the normal registered Facebook email. So the first thing you have to do is to click this button here. So after clicking that, you scroll down to the settings of your phone. Then you look for the personal information here. You click on that. Then you can select your email address. Now, the first email that you are going to see is, like, if you notice that the email, this is the second email, but another email that is connected to it. When you click on this remove button, it's going to automatically remove. So for you to add, let's talk about that. For you to add a new email, you click on add the email. Okay. The add email is going to lead you to where you can add another primary email address to it. So now let's imagine these are just the two emails that is connected to my account, and this is the primary and this is the other one, this is the permanent one. So just have to go back and you click on the remove account here. Since you have the remove function, as you can see, this can never be removed. So you click the remove button here and you remove the email automatically. So immediately you click on the button, is just going to load up a meet, then the email is gone. Then you have the permanent email, nothing can touch it. So that's the exact same step that maybe on your PC. Let's try, maybe you can get something like that also on our PC. So let's Facebook. So let's switch, since we are already on Facebook. So let's go here. Switch to says, okay, we are already here. So let me show you out here. So for you everyone to see, okay, you click on that button and you click on settings on your PC. So for you to see it, so for you to change your Facebook contact email, like your primary email on your PC, this is the same step you have to do. So this is the contact details and this is the email. So you click on the edit. As you can remember, on the mobile version we've deleted the email, so it can't show here unless we are going to add another email, which we are not doing. So for if you are on PC, so all you have to do is just to delete. You see a delete button here also on PC version. So that's the same step you can use to delete it, your Facebook email, primary email on both mobile and PC. So I will appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel, and we'll keep updating you, and like our video. And I will appreciate if you just comment on the comment section below on how we can improve our video and what you want us to record next for you. Thank you.